The sound of the wings. Humans go to other cities in search of objects. Some return, some stay there. Birds go to other places like humans. Birds go to other places and countries just like humans. Birds go to countries where there are no borders and no waters. Let's fly a little with the birds. We know that humans go to abroad and return to their hometowns, just as you know that birds go to abroad and return. Birds fly from continent to continent, crossing oceans and mountains, arriving at their destination after a period of time. Thus, migrating birds. Aquatic birds often migrate fly in the same direction. Some species return to the motherland on the same path, as some species of bird use different paths to go and come. There are also some types of birds that migrate non-stop between landing for needs such as divine rest while traveling. Shipwreck is a bird that flies over the sea without flattering its wings. Changes in the body of the bird during fertilization, wing growth on the head, changes in the color of the body. The current study confirms the arrival of red storks from Europe to Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is heaven for foreign birds. Do you know what is the most endangered bird species right now? Depending on the species of the bird that's built the nest, the sparrow will lay 3 to 6 eggs after building the nest, which is noisy during the nesting period. 14th days incubation, 15th days chicks. Sparrow live in all human habitation except polar regions. Sparrow can be found all over India. They live up to 4,000 meters in the Himalayas. Grains, worms, insects, flowers, young shoots. Sparrow's chicks are often eaten by worms. So the mother sparrow catches the worms and feeds them to her chicks. Arctic owl is a bird that travels 22,000 kilometers in the world. Birds can live in the world without man. Man cannot live in the world without birds. Bharatiya said the crow and sparrow of our caste sang if he had his wife to cook, he could have put some rice in the yard and put it with the sparrows. Joy was hungry. Dr. Salim Ali, a pioneer of today's birdman researcher in India, spent his entire life researching and photographing birds, which is why he has been called the Birdman of India. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like, share, comment. Thank you.